Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. What's the advantage of Instagram marketing over other platforms? Instagram has been marketed since the very beginning as a platform where people go to see cool pictures and videos about stuff they like. And that's the reason why it is such a good place to promote your products. Instagram users are also more engaged than users on other social media platforms, and they check Instagram often. Do you need a social media manager to help you out? All the stuff you'll learn in this training will help you to become your own social media manager, although you might want some help with Instagram marketing once your business scales. A better solution will be to subscribe to a social media management platform. They're easy to use, are much less expensive, and can align well to your marketing objectives on autopilot. How much money do you have to invest on Instagram marketing? You won't need to invest much when you're getting started, beyond paying a good graphic designer to create a kick-ass logo and images for your profile, as long as you apply all the strategies in this training. You will need to invest some money down the line once you're ready to scale, such as investing money on ads or on influencers. But this isn't as much money as you would spend on a dedicated social media manager. Is advertising a good alternative to Instagram marketing? Advertising your Instagram content is a complementary activity to your overall Instagram marketing strategy. In other words, you can't replace Instagram marketing with advertising, and you can't stop marketing your brand on Instagram once you start running ads. Remember, you are going to use advertising to increase your reach, drive more sales, and scale, and that's just part of Instagram marketing. What's another great complementary marketing strategy for Instagram? Blogging is a great complementary strategy because you can use it to create a loop that goes from your blog to your Instagram content and from your Instagram content back to your blog. For example, you can produce images to share on Instagram and create blog posts about those pictures as well. You can then upload one of those pictures to Instagram with a call to action, inviting users to visit your blog through the link in your bio. And you can also embed the post with the picture into a blog post. That way you can generate traffic between both marketing channels. What's a common Instagram marketing mistake? Inconsistency is a very common mistake that can cost you the relevance of your account. To avoid this mistake, simply stick to a regular posting frequency, interact with followers when appropriate, and participate in trends when they're hot. That's how you let your followers know that your brand is active. What type of businesses thrive on Instagram? Any business with a visual appeal can thrive on Instagram easily. For example, e-commerce brands can thrive because Instagram is the perfect place to post nice product pics. Fitness brands can post videos and images that showcase their products being used during workouts or outdoors. Businesses in the food industry, such as restaurants, breweries, or bakeries, can also use Instagram to entice Instagram users with mouth-watering images and videos showing their products. Electronics stores can also leverage Instagram to upload sleek pictures of their products. In short, you can thrive as long as you have a cool product or service to show on camera. What type of businesses would have a hard time on Instagram? Businesses that sell more abstract solutions, such as software or consulting companies, are going to find it difficult to promote their products or services on Instagram and should in fact use other platforms instead. Also, business-to-business companies, which thrive on more professional and sales-oriented environments. What are some key metrics to pay attention to? Key metrics that are important to track on Instagram include engagement per follower, which tells you how much each individual follower interacts with your account. Follower growth, which tells you the consistency at which your number of followers is growing. The number of comments received compared against your total number of followers, and reach. Is SEO essential on Instagram? SEO isn't as essential as is using hashtags correctly. This is because content on Instagram is indexed through hashtags. In other words, people will find your Instagram content when they use keywords that are included in your hashtags.